Hi everyone, this is Modern Institute of Technology and Research Center, Alwar, approved by AICTE and affiliated to Bikaner Technical University, Bikaner, Rajasthan, situated at 6th Milestone Road, Delhi Tijara Road, Delhi Village Jaharkhera, Sirmauli Road, Alwar, Rajasthan. We are going to study about the database management system. Myself, Engineer Abhishek Saxena, MTech Computer Science Engineering with PhD Computer Science Engineering pursuing and working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science Engineering. In this paper, we are going to study the following syllabus. You can see that the whole syllabus is divided into the 5 of units. That is Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4 and Unit 5. We are going to follow the following two textbooks. Although there are very different types of books, but I am going to take about these two different types of books. That is the Fundamental of Database Concepts by El-Messari R and Nawate, and the Database Concepts by Abraham, Silvershins, Henry Ford and Sudarshan. Now if we see about the objective of the course gives us the list and explain the fundamental concepts of relational database system. It gives to utilize a wide range of features available in DBMS package. We will analyze database requirements and determine the entities involved in the system and their relationship to one another. We will develop the logical design of the database using data modeling concepts such as entity relationship diagram. To create a relational database using a relational database package. To manipulate a database using SQL, access the quality and ease of use of data modeling and diagramming tools. If we see about the learning outcome, to describe the fundamental elements of relational database management system, to explain the basic concepts of relational data model, entity relationship model, database design, relational algebra and SQL, to design ER model to represent simple database application scenarios, to convert the ER model to relational tables, populate relational database and formulate SQL queries on data, to improve the database design by normalization, to familiar with basic database storage structures and access techniques like the file and page organization, indexing methods including B-trees and hash. If we look about the scope, after getting this DBMS study, the student can be able to work as database administrator, he will be able to work as database designer, he will be able to create and maintain the RDBMS of a system, he can work as a database analyst, and he is familiar and capable enough to make the large database of the organization. We are going to see about the Unit 1. The Unit 1 is the introduction to database with the following table of contents. It is having these different table of contents divided into every point. We are going to study in this different points. All about the Unit 1 with the respective table of contents that we are going to study and consider one by one. This whole syllabus of table of contents comprising of the syllabus of the Unit 1 is divided into different types of lecture. You can see this is the lecture number 1, lecture number 2 with the following topic, lecture number 3, lecture number 4.